It's my quest. It's my quest. It's my quest to be the guest on Ellen. Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 36 of Quest to be the guest on Ellen. Wow, Ellen, I can't believe you've done 1,500 episodes. That's amazing. Congratulations. Me, on the other hand, I've also set a landmark last week. 900 days of my quest. Still trying. Hopefully, you'll see any of these episodes. I know everybody around me sees me filming these. All the Twitterland people have noticed, except for you. So one day, hopefully, my dreams come true. Everything is better with Ellen. Mailbox graffiti? That's just a shame. We need to do something about it. Luckily, I know just the trick. Look at her. Man, this mailbox is 1,000 times better. Thanks, Ellen. Jingle, jangle, jingle, jangle, jingle, jangle. I need to be on Ellen's show. My butt in her chair. I've been in other chairs, but they don't compare. With an here and an there, here there there, to be on Ellen's show. 'Cause my butt needs to be in her chair. My butt needs to be in your chair, Alan. Make it happen. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoyed episode 36, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channels, and just remember, I won't send these vids or my tweets until my butt's in your guest seat. Peace out, Chipotles.